Before I even start blending this, what color do you think this is gonna be? You are incorrect. It's pink. And don't y'all dare talk about my old school ice trays. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I really have no idea how I managed to pour that whole thing into that bottle without spilling not one drop. I said, oh, my hands acting fancy today. Got them doctor's hands today, them surgeon hands. Oh, yes. What's going on, y'all? I wasn't even planning on making this part of the video. I was just gonna leave it as a voiceover or whatever like that. But baby, when I tasted this, I said, hold on, let me go ahead and, make a video about this, because baby, I'm a little proud of myself. It ended up turning out a lot better than I thought, okay? Because I'm just not getting into the smoothies and all of that kind of stuff, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, this thing came out way better than I even thought. It tastes so good. Now, what I will say about these ingredients is that you might want to soak them almonds a little bit overnight, or leave it in the blender a little bit longer, because I can still taste like a little bit chunks of the almond. But outside of that, the flavor and everything is so good, and I put it back in the freezer for a little bit, let it get a little thicker, because I wanted it a little thicker. And by the way, I don't know if I mentioned this in the video or not, or if I'm gonna mention it in the video, but the flax seeds make it thicker too as well. That's what flax seeds kind of do. I mean, outside of all of the nutrients and vitamins and all of that stuff that comes with the flax seeds, but outside of that, it makes it thicker as well. So just something to know or whatever. But yeah, I just want to make this little part or whatever, because I'm a little proud of myself. It's good. It's real good, like real good. And I'm like, I'm just happy and proud, because I'm like, shit, all of these ingredients came from the truck stop. Although the ones that didn't come from the truck stop, I don't really taste those ingredients anyway. It was just for added nutrients and stuff like that. But the flavor of it is, I did there. I did there. Y'all try this out, and if you do, let me know how it turns out for you. And of course, you're gonna need a blender. That's one of the first things, obviously you're gonna need. So if you ain't got that, then I guess this whole video ain't gonna work out for you. But if you make this, please let me know how it turned out and how you like it. Deuces.